Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and in this video you will learn how you can easily add Telegram chat for your site in Wix. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on the link. When you're gonna click on it, you will get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company and one of the widgets they make is Telegram chat. Here you want to click on sign up for free and add just Facebook or Google or normal mail. When you will have it, just click your login. On this side right here, you want to write Telegram, and now you're gonna see the Telegram chat. Click on it, and you have general one or support. I would go with general. It's really up to you which one you choose. Let's continue with the template. You're gonna have chat bubble or chat header. Really play around it and setting and style. Now let's just click save and I will show you. Now we need to choose a plan. I recommend going with the basic or pro version. Basic is like $5 a month and I recommend it. But if you're starting out, just start now with light. Okay, and when you will have it, copy the code, come here, click add, HTML. Nice, enter the code and paste it. When you will have it, you want to click on right click, pin to screen, paste it like here. Nice. Okay. And now when we have it, when I click preview, voila, here you got it. Really simple, really cool. So this is how you can add Telegram chat. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be happy to help you. Thank you, have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.